I went to see the doctor. I'd come down with the blues. She said that I can't cure you, but here's something you could do. Take out a piece of paper and go sit down for a while and draw a pretty picture of something that makes you smile. Well, I know what makes me happy. I didn't have to think for long, but when I tried to draw it, it always came out wrong. I had a box of 12, 48, and 64, but nowhere could I find that one shade I was looking for. I guess I realized, should've come as no surprise, Crayola doesn't make a color for your eyes. There is no way that I could possibly describe you. Crayola doesn't make a color to draw my love. At first I thought of green-blue, but then I saw blue-green, and then again in bright light they look aquamarine. I think at night they're darker. I looked again for you, saw gray and black, and went out walking after midnight blue. But hues of the deepest skies would be a compromise. Crayola doesn't make a color for your eyes. There is no way that I could possibly describe you. Crayola doesn't make a color to draw my love. Spring green? Spring green is much too yellow. Sea green is far too pale. Cornflower's way too mellow. So I'll try again and fail. There's no way I can capture the way you make me feel. One look from you is rapture, whether blue or green or teal. No color qualifies. That crayon's telling lies. Crayola doesn't make a color. Hey look, it's periwinkle. So sure I got it now, but you wink and there's a twinkle in your eye, and still somehow I just can't get that sparkle. Those glitter crayons won't. Maybe glow in the dark will get it right. Oh no, they don't. Mr. Crayola tries, but I'm left to fantasize. Crayola doesn't make a color. Go Marky. For your eyes something darker. Let's see what I can find. I melted mahogany and I got the depth but not the shine. Just about gave up and then I peeled the paper off a little end. I really thought it could have been not even burnt sienna. Your passport says they're brown, but I'm gonna keep looking around. Crayola doesn't make a color for your eyes. There is no way that I could possibly describe you. Crayola doesn't make a color to draw my